Hey everyone, my name is Justin. Welcome to Simple Market Metrics. You guys, today I'm going to show you how I'm able to consistently generate income trading the E-mini futures on a daily basis. Now we're going to be looking at the 2-minute time frame and going over exactly the metrics that I look at in the market. Now if you're like me, I do have a full-time day job, so if you're limited on time, this is a great strategy that you can use and great metrics to be able to pull out a couple $100s in the market either before you're going to work or when you get back home from work. So you guys, the first thing that I look at is I'm going to do a drop-down method of exactly the positions that I look at in the market step by step. Now what I'm looking at is this dashboard and this linear regression. Overall, you guys can tell this linear regression on this chart is heading in a bull market momentum. Now what this does is this actually will populate the last candles that you choose. So for example, 200. This is going to tell you where the overall direction of the market is heading. And I like to be trading with the 200 candles showing overall a bull market momentum heading to the upside. Now you guys, the other thing I like to look at is this dashboard. This is going to tell you all three of the metrics, and honestly the only three metrics you have to look at in the market to be successful with scalping. This white line is going to show you either with money that's going to be flowing into the market or money flowing out of the market. When money is flowing into the market, price likes to follow suit to the upside. Now when money's flowing out of the market, that's when you can see a nice decrease. So in an overall bull trend, what I want you guys to be looking for is actually to be going long. Now the second thing is going to be this middle band. You're going to notice this is either going to turn to green, which means bull market momentum, or this is going to go over to red, meaning bear market momentum. When this is green, that's where you want to be staying within the trade until this switches over to red, where you can then see a reversal. So in an overall bull trend, I do want to make sure this middle band is green. So right now we do have a middle green band. What you can also wait for too is these buy signals. Now this buy signal is going to be illuminated when you have a green dot in combination, which is a key EMA crossover, specifically at this area, saying we could see a potential push to the upside. I'm going to go ahead and buy the market. We're going to go for 1 point or 4 ticks, which is going to equate to $200. Now I like to trade with 4 lots on Tradeovate. This is going to equate to $50 per tick, and if we run 4, that's going to be $200. So I'm going to stay live with you guys right here and see if we can pull out $200 in the market. We've currently been doing this video for 2 minutes and 28 seconds, and this is our analysis. Up $100, $150. Let's see if we can close this out. One more tick to go, a couple ticks in the market. Again, all of our metrics in combination. We are hitting in a bull market momentum. Green dots in the middle, money flowing up. Another strong candle on the Heikinashi here. We just need to go for 2 ticks, one more, and this will close out for $200. Let's see if we can grab this. What I'll do in a second is I'll go over here to the count. I'll go ahead and show you guys today's P&L, and we'll go ahead and show you if we can pull out $200 in the market. What I like to do is actually try to go for 1 to 2 of these every single day. Looks like closed out. Order has been filled. Let's go over here to the Tradeovate account. Let's pull this up for transparency. Let's go to today. And this is the $200 profit. We end up taking 1 trade today, 1 winning trade, and 0 losing trades. That is exactly how we're pulling out $200 in the market each day. And guys, this is using Simple Market Metrics. You can either click the link in the description below or just go over to simplemarketmetrics.com. But I hope you guys found a lot of education in this video, and you guys can start following. I do live trading every single week, so you guys can follow along with the education on how we're able to make this money in the market. But thank you guys so much for following. Have a great rest of your day.